In LaPorte, Indiana, there's an area in the woods at the corner of 650 and Wilhelm.
In this stretch of 190 acres lies a nation.
A nation of 300 strong.
We have our own tradition.
We wear navy and white.
We are called the Lakers.
This is what you should know about this 51-year-old nation.
If you mess with one, you mess with us all.
Don't let the 190 acres fool you. They span a far greater area than that.
In this nation,
pride has no boundaries.
Faith is embraced.
Character is formed.
Scholarship is expected.
And even though we hail from all corners of the globe, we are a family.
We are La Lu.
Vi er lyset.
我们是光。
Somos la luz.
We are La Lu.
We are La Lu.
Let's go.
We are La Lu.